It's breakfast time. We're just waiting for a shuttle to come in. We're going to Poseidon's table for a buffet breakfast. And look at that. Hello, hi for 918.
Last name?
D.
Fine, and you're good to go.
This will be a spot right here, and you serve it this morning with slot.
Can I get that? That one.
Okay.
Thank you.
You like skin?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's breakfast time. Bah.
Hi, let's eat.
We just finished our breakfast and we're here. We're just walking around going into our hotel. Look at that view. Are you scared? Oh boy. Oh my goodness! Oh yeah! Oh boy! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Are we going another slide? Let's go. Oh! You ready? Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! Yeah! That was hairy, right? Oh boy! And look at that aquarium right there. Free aquarium. Holy cow. We're doing the leap of faith right now. It's the most monster slide. So we're scared, but we have to try this. We're here in Bahamas. Whoa! Serpent slide, here we go! Woo-hoo! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! The sharks! That's the leap of faith. Look at that. That's a sudden drop. Holy cow. Those are sharks swimming right there. Oh boy. We did all the rides, woohoo!